stone we can see here only in Budrom, and the water here, and so many white houses over here also. So we can share with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, we start. Look, guys. Look, guys. This is a nice place over here, made from rocks. You know, some beaches here is like solid rock, and so many whites is over there, and mountains high. You look the islands over here, and we go there, guys. Really, I like to do this. I'm going to do this part of stone over there, and you will see the guys, the island over there, and over there also. So many people are swimming over there, and you look, guys, how parts of Budrom, Turkey. You look, guys, they are big rocks, and we can see here, and we can see the so many good places here. Look, guys, so many white house over there, and top on the mountain all is white. Yes, guys, and you can see here the mountain, and so many olive oil tree here, guys. You look, back on the mountain we have oil tree. We can go there and see that stone. Try to go there, guys, to see that kinds of stones there. Like this, from here until there, you know. It's looking good. Great. So great. Look, guys, how great the stones made. So, and another one. You look, guys, so nice place. Okay, thank you. I'm just only taking the view here. Yeah, so nice place, guys. So really cute, these kinds of stones, guys. Look. Guys, we go there again to back our place. Slowly we bang. Oh my god, hard for me. Slowly and slowly, so slippery part here. We can see here. We can come here, guys. Also here, look, guys. There's some stone over here, and we can see the water. And you know, guys, this shapes of rocks. You look so cute. How God's make of these kinds of rocks. You look so cute. How God powerful of these kinds of rocks, guys. Look. Wow, so cute. So perfect. God, how make cut and to make how to God's make for how to make these kinds of rocks is over here, guys. Look. Wow, so really precious place here. Over here there are white houses over there, guys. There are good mountains over there, the good stones over there. We look, I like so much here, guys. So perfect for me, guys. You look how God to make these kinds of shape of stones. You look brown, white and gray. Oh my God, so cute. You look, I put here how God great and how to make this. Look, yes, really, you can see here only this is a good place, guys. Ah yes, really. So we are here to show you over here. Thank you for watching, and really you can see everything here, guys. It's a part of BUDROM Turkey. We can see good things here, guys. We can see all the good place also, guys, and everything here in BUDROM Turkey. Yes, guys, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channels, guys. Norski Turkey Vlog. Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you.